Good afternoon, everybody. I've got a new wine here. Well, new, we recently started to import it directly from this producer. It's in Tuscany. Interesting enough, it's an English producer, Charlotte, which I like very much, and I like the fact that it comes from a small chateau in Tuscany. And what I find fascinating about this wine is it's actually a Pinot Nero. And as you know full well, the Italians are not very good at making Pinot Nero. And a few good Pinot Nero that are made in Italy are made in the higher region of Italy, where the climate is a bit cooler, because Pinot Nero grape variety needs a cold climate to be able to produce a proper Pinot Nero, because Pinot Nero, as we know, they've got a very thinner body, much lighter than the Bordeaux. It's very different characteristic than normal red wines. Now in Tuscany, the weather is a bit warmer, so in fact this Pinot Nero, it's very particular, because it's not like a usual Pinot Nero, because it's got a lot of body. So it's a bit like you would think a Pommard in French wine, in French Burgundies, is a much bigger body red than the normal Pinot Nero. But the fruit is the Pinot Nero fruit. So if you buy this Pinot Nero, don't expect a Pinot Nero which has that light body and fruit. This is a very particular one. I absolutely love this Pinot Nero because it's got structure, a little bit of structure that the normal ones don't have. It's 14.5 in volume. I think I would guess the reason is because the climate is a bit warmer there than the north of Italy, so the grapes are more mature, and therefore that they creates more sugar, and therefore that it creates a bigger body and more volume in the alcohol. But as a wine, I don't know how, because it's aged in French barrels, and that's why it probably carries a bit of a premium. In fact, in the shop it's £24.50, which is still reasonable for a Pinot Nero, and £47 in a restaurant. But it has this kind of spiciness, and it's very unusual. I absolutely love this Pinot Nero from Toscana, from Castello di Potentino. And all I can say, it's if you're a Pinot Nero lover, try it. Don't expect a normal Pinot Nero structure. This is a Pinot Nero with a bit more structure, but it's very interesting. It's spicy, a little fruity, very round, easy to drink. This is the key. But so I hope you enjoy it, and it'd be nice to get some feedback from some people, because I get interested about reaction on wines that have certain characteristics that are not usual, like this one. But Pinot Nero is a difficult grape variety to produce. And well, good luck, and I hope to see you in the shop. Thank you. Bye bye.